Hello everyone, this is Alexey. Semikron Danfoss deal is finally approved. Two power semiconductors players out, one big player in. Market is moving forward. And now let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Vishay Technology introduced 4 new AFRED Generation 5 600-volt Ultrafast rectifiers in the TO244 package. Offering the best conduction and switching loss trade-off for devices in their class, the 240, 300, 480 and 600 amps Vishay Semiconductors rectifiers are designed to increase the efficiency of medium-frequency power converters and of hard and soft switched or resonant designs. Infineon Technologies and II-VI Incorporated have signed a multi-year supply agreement for silicon carbide wafers. The German-based semiconductor manufacturer is securing further access to this strategic semiconductor material to meet a strong increase in customer demand in this area. The agreement also supports Infineon's multi-sourcing strategy and increases its supply chain resilience. The first deliveries have already taken place. Infineon expects its silicon carbide semiconductor sales to grow by more than 60% on average per year, reaching approximately $1 billion by mid-decade. For the second half of the decade, Infineon expects ongoing growth momentum, for which it invests in its recently announced additional manufacturing block in Malaysia. Semikron and Danfoss Silicon Power are joining forces to establish the ultimate partner in power electronics. On August 22, less than 5 months after it was first announced, the new leader in power semiconductor modules started doing business as Semikron Danfoss. With an existing workforce of more than 3,500 dedicated power electronics specialists, Semikron Danfoss will provide world-class technology expertise to its loyal customer base. The merger comes with a strong growth plan and a firm commitment to future investments, paving the way for green growth and a more sustainable, energy-efficient and decarbonized future. Li Auto broke ground on its power semiconductor R&D and production base in Suzhou, China, a milestone for the electric vehicle maker. The move is a strategic one, which will allow Li Auto to develop and mass-produce its own silicon carbide power modules. Equipment installation and testing are expected to begin after construction is finished in 2022. Samples are expected to be produced in the first half of 2023, and official production will start in 2024. Annual production in the future will gradually increase to 2.4 million silicon carbide half-bridge power modules. SK Siltron is expected to complete its new silicon carbide wafer factory in Michigan next month. The South Korean wafer maker acquired DuPont's silicon carbide wafer business based in the US in 2020, at the same time forming its subsidiary Siltron CSS there. The subsidiary has been building a factory for the growing process, where the silicon is melted and grown into ingots before being cut to wafers in Bay City, Michigan since then. The completion of the factory next month will increase SK Siltron's production capacity for 6-inch silicon carbide wafers to 120,000 per year. A Yale University startup plans to produce semiconductor devices with improved energy-saving performance that will extend the driving range of electric vehicles by about 10% compared with cars using current products. Flosfia, which counts Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Toyota Motor affiliate Denso, and the Development Bank of Japan as investors, will mass-produce power semiconductors that use gallium oxide, an alternative to silicon as a semiconductor material. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more power semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or join me on LinkedIn. Have a great day.